The Barrett 107 ships in a Pelican custom fitted case broken down into two pieces. The first piece, which is the primary piece, is your lower half. Your lower half has the bipod already built into it. Quick pull and a swivel down, your bipod legs are down. You set the lower half down, you've got your two pins here, front and back. Pull your bolt back a little bit, pull your short pin out, long pin comes out, set those two down. Next step is your upper. Lift it out, you've got a groove that the barrel slides down into. Locks into place. Once that locks into place, you're going to put the pad back here, you're going to pull back and lock this spring in place. Once that's locked in place, the upper is ready to go, complete. I take that, slide it into, there's a catch down here, I slide it into the rifle. Make sure you get it close enough to the front here, tilt it up just a hair, slide it in, forward. When you drop this down, you have to pull your bolt back. Then it lets your upper drop down in. You can close it, rear pin goes in, short pin goes in right here. Now you've got an assembled Barrett M107.